Debugging, the detective work of software development, 2023. Debugging is a crucial component of the work of a software developer. To make sure that the code functions as intended, errors must be found and corrected. Debugging, however, may be a tiresome and time-consuming chore, particularly for those who are new to the profession. But don't panic, debugging can be a tolerable and even exciting job with the appropriate methodology.
There once was a young software developer by the name of Larry. Due to his inexperience, Larry frequently had trouble debugging his code. He once requested guidance from his tutor on how to improve as a debugger. Larry, debugging is not only about repairing code, but also about understanding how to think like a detective, his mentor stated with a smile. Nevertheless, Larry's tutor gave him the following debugging advice. Understanding what the error message is trying to tell you is the first step in debugging. Frequently, the message will offer clues as to what's wrong, such the line of code where the mistake happened or what the issue is. Before taking the following step, be sure you have read the message carefully and comprehend what it is saying. Reproduce the issue. Attempting to reliably reproduce a problem is one of the greatest methods to debug it. This will make it simpler for you to identify the problem's main source and discover a solution. Make sure you comprehend the processes that led to the issue and attempt to consistently duplicate them. Use print statements. When debugging, adding print statements to your code can be a very helpful tool. They can be used to monitor the course of execution and determine the values that your variables are holding at various times. This can assist you in determining the issue's cause and location. Take a break. Sometimes taking a step back and approaching a challenging debugging issue with fresh eyes is the best course of action. A pause can help you see the solution more clearly, whether you go for a walk, grab a coffee, or simply take a nap. Request assistance. Don't be reluctant to ask your coworkers for assistance. It's often true that two minds are better than one, and someone else might see something you didn't. Debugging is also a fantastic chance to work with your team and learn from others. With these pointers in mind, Larry mastered debugging and went on to resolve numerous challenging issues. He earned the moniker the detective of the code for consistently solving puzzles, no matter how complex they appeared to be. The end.
Debugging is necessary for a number of reasons. Syntax mistakes, logical mistakes, runtime mistakes, false assumptions, modifications to the requirements, interactions with other system components, and usage of third-party libraries or tools. Developers can approach the process with a greater grasp of what they are trying to improve and how to do it by knowing the reasons why debugging is necessary. Let's carry on with our programming/coding journey. I appreciate your interest and hope to see you in the next video.